Hello. In today's article, we'll be learning how to get the listener status through an API call. So in a previous video, we've explained how to retrieve the listener status token. This can now be used for a get function on our Postman or API call here. So if you return to the listener status object help documentation, you can see that there's a few little links that we need to grab from here. So if you grab this HTTP get, which is what you'll be adding into Postman here. You'll be adding in your account ID, followed by your integration username and password. And then there's nothing more needed in the body or parameters. Then following that, we'll then go back to our listener status token. We'll now do a fetch for the live status token, because this refreshes each time you run this query. So grab this one, go back to the listener status check, grab and put it into the URL get here, and then you can query it. And this will then return any listener ID under your current Atom that you're doing this query search for. So for me, I have two different listener IDs. It means I have two listeners listening, which we can go and confirm by going back to my Atom management, going into listeners, and in here I have two listeners set to listening.